Healthy lung cells. Warning: smoking detected. High concentrations of tar and toxic gases infiltrating. Cilia defense activated, attempting to expel foreign particles. Cilia movement terminated. Self-cleaning system completely paralyzed. Alveolar structure collapsing. Permanent emphysema developing. Irreversible fibrosis and carbonization complete. Recovery impossible. Cracks forming in the carbonized tar shell, exposing glowing embers within. A horrifying microscopic landscape inside necrotic lung tissue. Severe dehydration of cell membranes and expanding necrosis caused by tar infiltration. A map of death revealed within the collapsed blood vessels. A pale wall of fibrosis surrounding the necrotic tissue. Complete tissue dissolution. Defensive mechanisms have collapsed. Tar-soaked, grotesquely deformed red blood cells are clumping together, completely blocking the blood vessels. Vascular collapse. Oxygen pathways have become a pale graveyard. The lungs' cleaning macrophages suffocate under tar and undergo massive self-destruction. Bacterial colonies breaking through the collapsed defense barrier. Merged bacterial colonies causing widespread purulent tissue destruction. Airway obstruction. Suffocation caused by coagulated blood clots. Microthrombi in the kidney glomeruli, leading to multiple organ failure. Systemic skin necrosis and purpura, the external signs of circulatory collapse. A completely black, coal-like lung, the final catastrophe of tar accumulation. the true source of all destruction, deadly tar. Next episode, Carbohydrates.